Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and a plan. Power off the XM5 and remove them from any device. Once done, lay them on a clean, flat surface with ear cup openings facing down so liquid won't pool. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl, wring to nearly dry, and gently wipe the outer leather-like surface to lift oils. Use a dry cotton swab to dislodge loose dust from the seam. Make sure to work methodically and focus on one cup at a time. Now you tackle the tougher middle work, seams and mesh. First, use a soft brush or toothbrush to loosen trapped debris around the ear cup creases and hinge areas. Brush outward so particles fall away. For the inner mesh over the driver, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and stroke gently. This cleans oils without penetrating. Make sure to dry any damp areas with a clean microfiber and let the cup air dry for several minutes before moving. Finish by ensuring everything is dry and reassembled correctly. You should wait at least 15-30 minutes, making sure no residual moisture remains, then power on and test audio at a low volume to confirm clarity. If you hear muffled sound or distortion, power off immediately. Remove pads if possible, and let the units dry in a warm, ventilated spot for up to 24 hours with silica packs. If problems persist, contact Sony support. Do not force power if moisture is suspected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.